iPhone 16 Pro Max deal explained. If you're planning to buy a high-storage iPhone in early 2026, you might want to slow down before spending top dollar on Apple's newest models. Because right now, one of the best smartphone deals available isn't actually the latest iPhone. It's last year's flagship. The iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max have already been released, and as expected, they come with premium pricing. The 1 terabyte version of the iPhone 17 Pro Max currently starts at around $1,599, making it one of the most expensive mainstream smartphones you can buy today. But here's where things get interesting. You can now buy a 1 terabyte iPhone 16 Pro Max for dramatically less money, while still getting nearly flagship-level performance and storage capacity that most users will never fully utilize. Amazon is currently offering premium renewed units of the iPhone 16 Pro Max with 1 terabyte of storage for about $949. That's a massive price drop compared to the original launch price of $1,599. In simple terms, buyers are saving around $650 compared to buying the same storage capacity at launch, and even compared to Apple's newest Pro Max model. Now, naturally, many people immediately ask one question: why not just buy directly from Apple's official refurbished store? Apple does sell refurbished versions of the iPhone 16 Pro Max through its own online store, and traditionally, that has been considered the safest option. Apple-certified refurbished devices go through strict testing, receive genuine replacement parts when needed, and are repackaged almost like new devices. However, there's a major price difference right now. Apple's refurbished 1 terabyte iPhone 16 Pro Max is listed at approximately $1,269. That means Amazon's current offer is about $320 cheaper than buying directly from Apple, which is a significant saving, especially for users who simply want flagship performance without paying flagship prices. So what exactly are these Amazon Premium Renewed devices? Amazon Renewed products are pre-owned smartphones that have been professionally inspected, cleaned, and tested by certified suppliers approved by Amazon. These devices are verified to function like new and meet specific quality standards before being resold. According to Amazon's guidelines, these phones should show little to no visible cosmetic wear when viewed at arm's length. Batteries are guaranteed to retain at least 80% of their original health capacity, ensuring reliable daily performance. Repairs, if needed, are completed using either new Apple components or parts that remain in like-new condition. While accessories included in the box may not be original Apple accessories, they are fully compatible and functional. Another important benefit is buyer protection. Amazon Premium Renewed devices typically include refund or replacement options, giving customers peace of mind if the product doesn't meet expectations after purchase. This reduces much of the risk traditionally associated with buying refurbished electronics. Of course, purchasing directly from Apple still provides the highest level of assurance. Apple-certified refurbishment includes official testing procedures and packaging identical to new retail units. But for many buyers, the question becomes simple. Is paying an extra $320 worth it? For budget-conscious consumers, the answer may be no. The performance difference between the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the newer iPhone 17 Pro Max is also unlikely to be dramatic for everyday users. Tasks like photography, gaming, social media, video streaming, and productivity remain incredibly smooth on the previous generation flagship. And when you're getting 1 terabyte of storage, enough space for thousands of photos, hours of 4K video, and years of apps, the value proposition becomes even stronger. There's also another factor working in favor of refurbished devices: smartphone depreciation. Flagship phones lose value quickly after launch. Within months, resale prices drop significantly, even though real-world performance remains nearly identical. Smart buyers increasingly take advantage of this depreciation cycle by purchasing refurbished or renewed models instead of buying brand new devices on day one. In today's smartphone market, where annual upgrades bring incremental improvements rather than revolutionary changes, choosing last year's flagship can often be the smarter financial decision. So if your goal is to own a premium iPhone with maximum storage, strong performance, and long-term usability, without paying top-tier pricing, the renewed iPhone 16 Pro Max currently represents one of the best deals available. Instead of spending nearly $1,600 on the newest model, buyers can save hundreds while still enjoying a true flagship experience. Ultimately, the decision comes down to priorities. If you want absolute peace of mind and official Apple certification, Apple's refurbished store remains the safest route. But if value matters more, and you're comfortable with professionally renewed devices, Amazon's premium renewed offer delivers exceptional savings. And in a market where smartphone prices continue rising year after year, deals like this show that sometimes the smartest upgrade isn't the newest phone. It's the best value.